How to record vehicle repairs. When a vehicle has gone in for service, a problem ticket was recorded. Once the vehicle is repaired, that problem ticket needs to be updated so that it can show the repairs that were made. Click on Event Operations, Vehicle Problem and Repair, and find the ticket that had the problem that got resolved. You can sort or group by vehicles or type, or look at which repairs were done to make it easy. Click on the Edit link next to the problem that you are going to show as being repaired. Choose the repair date and time, the repair description, identify it as being completed, and if the repair vehicle is now returned to the driver. Make any notes. And click on Save. You have now returned the vehicle back to the fleet, making it available to the driver.